way down this narrow street when I saw two kids practically on top of each other doing the sexy nine, or whatever you call it these days. Kids, they want everything now and fast. There's no room for patience, no room for decorum anymore. Anything goes. Times have changed, and we've often rewound the clock since the Puritans got us shocked when they landed on Plymouth Rock. If today any shock they should try to stem, instead of landing on Plymouth Rock would land on them. In olden days, a glimpse of stocking was the dawn of something shocking, but now God knows anything goes. Lovers who wants the better words now only use four-letter words, writing prose. Anything goes. The world has gone mad today and goes back today, and black's white today and it's night today. The most guys today, the women prize today are just silly gigolos. And though I'm not a great romancer, I know that you're bound to answer when I propose. Anything goes. When grandmama, whose age is 80, like loves is getting mated with gigolos. Anything goes. When mothers pack and leave for fathers because they decide they'd rather be tennis pros. Hell, anything goes. If driving fast cars you like, if long bars you like, if old hymns you like, if bare limbs you like, if Mae West you like, or me undressed you like, well nobody